Layer has powerful features for marketing both candidates and jobs. Whether you like to market talent to clients or other types of vendors or recruiting partners that you work with, or market your job to potential candidates or vendors that you work with in either a hot list, rec list, job list style format. Xlayer is a great tool for accomplishing that. I'm going to show you really quickly how I would send out a candidate marketing email. Some people call this a hot list. The first thing I'm going to do is select a few contacts that I want to send my hot list out to. So I can do this one at a time, or I can select multiple people at a time. Once I've found the people I want to send my hot list to, I'm going to click on Send Hot List. This is going to initiate a new email window that will allow me to do a mail merge to the candidates or the contacts that I've selected. And if I maximize this window, you'll notice that I have a list of my candidates over here on the right-hand side. So in order to start building a hot list, I simply need to select the candidates from the right-hand side that I'd like to include in the hot list. And you'll notice that it's automatically and dynamically building a list of candidates that I've selected in a hot list style format. So it's giving the summaries, it's putting the name and job title, although you'll notice that it is blinding the name of the candidate so that whoever you're marketing this to doesn't just get the contact information for these people. And it's listing all sorts of different things like summaries, skills, phone numbers, rates, things like that. If I click on the Send Details tab over here, I can start to dynamically change the content of this email. So if I wanted to, instead of sending the candidate ID, now send the full name, I could just click on Send Details and then choose to display the name. And you notice that it automatically changes the name of everybody in this list. Here I've chosen to include contact information for these candidates, but if I want to remove that, I can simply unselect phone numbers from the list, and you'll notice that phone numbers are no longer included. So there's lots of different styles for marketing your candidates out to clients. We call these style sheets, and up here if I select different style sheets, you can see that I can change how these candidates are presented in the body of the email that I'm sending out. And again, there's lots of different styles. This is more of a compact list style of candidates and their skill sets. And these style sheets can be customized if you're on our professional plan with Xlayer. And you can really make these match or look your any way you'd like with your colors, your logos, different layouts, different send details, that kind of thing. So again, excellent way to market talent out to client organizations or partners. Now I can do the same thing with what we call a job list. Say I've done a search inside of Xlayer, and I want to send out a job to a few different candidates. Again, I can just select those candidates. I'm going to click on Send Job List. This is going to look very similar to the hot list, except instead of available candidates on the right, I'm going to have available jobs. So to include jobs, just like candidates, I can just start selecting the jobs that I want to include. And it's going to dynamically build a job list or rec list for me here into the body of the email. And again, if I don't want to send salary information, I can just click on the Send Details button here, unselect salary, and you'll notice it automatically removes it from the email. So there's a lot of different fields that you can mix and match in terms of what you want to display or what you don't want to display. And again, you can change the style sheets. Maybe I want more of a text-based standard view of my jobs, or again, more of a classic look. We have lots of different styles. And if you're on the premium level of our software, again, you can customize these style sheets to match your needs. Very easy, very quick way of either marketing candidates or marketing jobs. The last thing I want to show you here today is templates. So we already discussed our concept of style sheets for sending out hot lists and rec lists, but we also have the concept of just basic email templates if you want to do a mail merge. So if I had done a search for every candidate in the state of California, for example, that had an email address, I could then send out a mail merge to this list. I'm just going to hit Control A to select everybody on this list, and I'm just going to click on Send Mass Email. So now we're not sending a hot list or a job list type style. We're sending just a regular email. You'll notice that it has a merge tag inserted, hi first name. So each person you selected will get a personalized email. Hi Joe, hi Ben, hi Srinivas, hi Chris. But you could also choose to load a template instead of a style sheet. So I could say load my reach out new opportunity template. And when I do, it's now going to build a template in the email body where each candidate still is receiving an individual email, but you'll see here I've selected a template that's going to send something highly personal. Hi Joe, how are things going in San Francisco? Do you still work at ABC Inc.? Right? So each of these merge fields is going to personalize the email to the candidate that you're sending that email to. Again, making it kind of look like you've taken the time to send a very individual email to each candidate, but again, you can send this in a mail merge type format. So that is the email marketing capabilities inside of XLAIR. We also provide text messaging marketing as well. That's something I can cover in another video, but just know you can send one or multiple text messages in a text merge type format through XLAIR as well. Lots of different methods to quickly reach out to candidates and hopefully make more placements. Any questions, please send